So hello guys, meron tayong kukunin ngayon na isang hindi siya bagay pero buhay siya. May kukunin tayo, so ito naka-ready na. So mamaya i-update ko kayo kung ano yung kukunin natin and makakasama natin ngayong Pasko ng Pagkabuhay. Hello guys, so may kukunin nga tayo na isang hindi bagay pero buhay. Pwede siya ipet. So mamaya i-reveal ko kung sino yung kukunin ko guys. Mamaya kasama ko ngayon si Mama. So ito guys, hindi natin siya lalagay. Later update namin kayo. 45 minutes bago tayo mapunta sa kinta namin pipikapit. So later guys, I'll see you.
Ito yung brown. Ito naman mga white, ganito yung mga white GSD.
Tapang no itim ah.
Ito po, medyo papunta na semi-long po ito. Masyadong medyo makapal talaga yan. Esther! 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 Up! Esther!
May dental stick kayo? Asa yung dental stick mo?
So ito guys yung binili namin for Easter. This is the house of Easter.
Esther! Hey guys, we have Esther. Come here! Esther! Esther, here! Esther! 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 Hoop! Esther! Esther! Yeah! Esther! Good boy! Good boy, Esther! Good boy! Good boy! Good boy ang Esther, oh! Good boy ang Esther.
Yes, Kuya Lando and Kuya.
Esther. Esther. Up. Nangat. Ay, ano. Meet Kuya Lando and Tito John Ray. Good boy, Esther. Good boy. Esther, come here. Esther, come here. Come back. Finish everything. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, Esther. Esther, I said come back here. Esther, you're not yet finished.
When he doesn't finish his food, he will.
Esther. Esther.
When he don't finish his food, he's gonna live in the streets.
Esther, yes. Esther. Esther, 1. Maybe long. 2. Sana.
I think it's in your room.
Esther.
I think it's in your room.
Calm. Keep calm. I say keep calm. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Up, up. Keep calm. Keep calm. Okay, that's okay. That's okay.
He's looking at the camera.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera.
Get the camera.
Look at the camera. Look at the camera. Okay, very good. Very good.
He's looking at me.
Sige nga, magarot ka. Lumayo ka. Larry, sige nga. Layo ka nga. Kaya may kipaglaro ka. Sige, layo ka dun. Dali. Sige pa. Laro ka pa, Larry. Sige pa, alis. Hop! Keep calm. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay focused. Okay, that's okay. Okay, run. Run, run, run. Acer, run, run. Go, jump, run. Good boy. Yahweh, I know you are here.
Sanay mo nakakulong.
Standing on. Guys, yung nabili kong aso, sa sobrang galing ko, guys, napatulog ko siya. Pinantahan ko lang.
Happy Easter everyone! So it's Sunday, Easter. Guys, meet the new member in the family. Easter, come here, Easter. Easter. Easter, come here. Easter. Easter. Ayun, lumapit. So guys, kumuha nga ako ng German Shepherd para maging kasama namin sa family namin. And ito yung first day niya sa akin. So, nakakatuwa kasi talino niya talaga. Sobrang talino, nakakaintindi talaga siya, guys. At ito siya. Say hi. Say hi. Ay, dito siya. Good boy. Camera shy ka ba? Camera shy ka? Hello. Salita siya. Sasagot. So yun guys, more vlog with Easter. Good morning. Happy Easter. Happy Easter. Easter because A is for Archie and Easter. Today is Easter. Grabe yung ano ko. Shave ako mamaya. Happy Easter guys.